Why does your scanner show the P161B engine code? What does it mean? P161B engine code indicates a diagnostic issue with the transmission control module, TCM, or a battery disconnect. It means that the vehicle lost power during a battery swap. When this happens, the powertrain control module, PCM, and transmission control module, TCM, recognize the power loss and trigger the code. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car: battery issues, charging system problems, wiring or connection problems, TCM or PCM issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This code can appear in any vehicle with an OBD2 system. This includes vehicles from brands such as Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and RAM. It also appears in GM vehicles, including Chevrolet, GMC, and Cadillac, and can sometimes show up in Ford vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.